Would you like to create amazing watercolor styles using MidJourney AI for your Clipart, art prints, greeting cards, posters, or any other art projects? But you're not sure of which specific style to use? Don't worry, I'm going to show you some eye-catching watercolor style reference codes that will make your art pop. In this video, I've put together over 60 unique watercolor SREF codes that will make your life so much easier. If you're not familiar with these codes, they're just numbers you add to the end of your prompt to tell MidJourney exactly what kind of art style you want. It helps maintain consistency and works really well with simple prompts. Just so you know, I've included a PDF with all the SREF codes and prompts in the description below. You can click the link in the description so you can download it for future reference. In this video, I'm using the same base prompt so you can easily tell the difference between each style. And I've given each style a made-up name. The name is not relevant. You only need the SREF codes. Alright, with that aside, let's get started with the first watercolor style reference code, which is Rosy Pastels 231-391-4739, Oceanic Charm 326-563-3861, Dynamic Burst 405-899-6292, Lunar Serenity 158-434-6393, Minimalist Collage 106-948-9606, Abstract Elegance 347-698-1693, Driftwood Blooms 418-715-5643, Petal Essence 206-221-4722, Delicate Aura 343-726-3465, Blazing Petals 6410-44499, Rosewater Aura 295-797-6276, Celestial Beauty 159-762-756, Dreamy Vibrance 477-25-7698, Luminous Bloom Vibes 155-104-8022, Spring Aura 228-996-0384, Rouge Minimalist 202-40727, Dusky Noir 350-318-8873, Sunlit Radiance 16498-3941, Retro Illustration 6564433321, Emerald Lush 100-390-5756, Detailed Color Flow 423-420-6284, Vintage Sketch 380-920-3961, Artistic Plush 214-169-2507, Pale Blossoms 361-279-8423, Fairy Tale Painting 211-023-4863, Elegant Bloom 6509, Serene Radiance 395-880-1428, Meadow Glow 364-522-3392, Teal Pastel Brush 340-951-3490, Ethereal Ember 409-074-9833, Amber Muse 425-801-8510, Painterly Whimsy 221-143-7441, Color Burst 262-740-2679, Modern Brushwork 6718, Soft Elegance 856807564, Vintage Strokes 233-112-5672, Cerulean Charm 143-632-7450, Earthy Elegance 223-868-5657, Cartoon Essence 155-012-0711, Playful Sketch 6530, Autumn Whisper 6946. Vivid Strokes 169 240 6215. Charcoal Painting 62530 3178. Soft Silhouettes 303 090 2615. Rustic Illustration 231 957 5890. Fiery Harmony 2832211416. Mixed Colored Flare 318 137 9314. Sunlit Grace 132 542 6462. Floral Tranquility 276 731 3567. Chromatic Fusion 7748064070. Ink Sketch 702502026. Epic Essence 103 400 5041. Indigo Muse 156 435 9373. Realistic Soft Sketch 4124735. Gentle Blush 271 708 7035. Brush Silhouette 311 360 7767. Pale Line Work 322 229 8295. Vintage Cartoon 393 194 2785. Energetic Splash 5949922296. Digital Painting 327 542 5823. Tranquil Line Art 5052288478. Sepia Floral Glow 293 402 6280. So those are the major SREF codes I found that you can use to create watercolor designs for your clip art and more. If you want the PDF version of this video, it's available on my website through the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.